Hey Saurabh, welcome to Eating Out on Stars at Peninsula the Grand. And we have with us today the very handsome, charming Saurabh Raj Jain with us, who is going to dine with us at Peninsula. Please Saurabh,
Thank
please
you
come.
so much for calling.
So how is it like playing Lord Krishna and Vishnu? Do people come and touch your feet?
Yes, they do sometimes. It becomes a little awkward situation, but they do.
I mean, like what, have you been somewhere and like parties or where is it like?
The other day I had gone to some gathering. Just now I just told two caterers. They wanted to touch my feet and I said, no, please don't touch my feet.
And ladies, mostly ladies do this. Because, no
Ladies,
one
especially
bhakti
when they
or-
have infants, they would get their infants with them
bless.
to bless around. And
I think even old
know.
women, ना उनको लगता है कि ये भगवान आए हैं.
right. Yeah.
This is very nice, huh? He loved it.
And Makkah roti plain.
Just one.
Plain roti.
Makai. They're having this Punjab food festival. So they have got sarson da saag and yeah, Mr. Prakash Kochhar, please come. He'll just explain to you like they're having this thing,
Kai ki roti with sarson ka saag, which is a traditional of the Punjab.
You got white butter also?
Yeah, yes, here.
Oh, great.
And some gur also, some
Awesome.
jaggery and all that. You add it in that and eat it.
Wow. Your mom makes Punjabi dishes.
Yeah, she does.
Till office वही यार दिल ने फिर यार क्या की. They say like that. So it's Punjab. It's a land of 5 rivers with the land of milk and honey.
True.
And you know that the home of tandoor, they say it, and from Alexandria to the Aurangzeb place to have that food, Punjabi food, and golden age. So
Punjab food, they call it a rich,
Yes.
rich,
rich food.
Robust.
and the cuisine that complements Punjab people and all that. They say that आओ मित्रों खाओ पियो ऐश करो.
Saag is yum.
Yeah, Mr. Shah. He loved he loved it. No, aloo kaju.
Both actually.
Chaat.
Kaju chaat, you said?
Yes.
Yeah, that one and even sarson ka saag, very yum.
Have some butter and
I just took.
madam follow you.
I'm fine.
With some
I'll have it. Super.
मक्के की रोटी के साथ में खावा
Yeah, I'll try that.
I know you like roti very much.
No, it's okay.
You like South Indian food more or North Indian?
No, not thin.
North Indian more?
And
Try
then
Punjabi.
She comes very often, but she really, I think, she takes South Indian food.
Okay.
No, because at home we make South Indian.
So, do you want to have something else?
Yes. And I love Gujarati food. Marwadi, the Rajasthani
you know.
thali,
Have you
rasovara.
Have you had papad ki sabji ever?
Yeah, that this thing dipped in this thing.
Curry.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've had that?
Yes, that I'm also
Mungoli.
fond of. That I'm also
No?
Mongoli, I think. Yeah.
all the staff knows them very well.
Yeah, that's so nice. The bendi amchuri, yeah.
Amchuri.
Mehndi Amchuri. Nice name.
Nice name.
Little bit of
But the
touch of-
food is excellent over here.
Sarson ka saag was
No,
very
anything
nice.
and everything here, you must try. That dessert is going to be a real winner.
yeah.
He's very fond of. He's got a sweet tooth. Yeah.
Okay.
Yummy it is. Punjabi food has this thing, no? Always they put in this
More of
tomato
a-
and
tomato
onion ka tadka
Yeah.
and everything.
Everything's a must.
The ingredients are too much and it goes in that food very well.
Yeah. And the bendi is tender. Normally, why I avoid bendi in restaurants, the bendi is never tender.
No.
Oh, ekdam aise khiste hai.
Very easy.
It's very nice. Yeah. Here the food is always good. Always.
Please come with the family also.
I will.
Yeah, yes. You got a pretty wife.
Yeah.
and come with spice and more.
And for us, the crowd will follow you. Always, in the last 3 days, the crowd is like the Punjabi food and all that.
अच्छा कब तक चलेगा ये till when?
Till 10th again.
Till Feb.
10th Feb.
10th.
10th Feb.
And how is it working with Ekta's show? Well, I heard that they have a very hectic pace.
They do have a hectic pace. There was a time when I was actually on the set for like continuous 3 days, 4 days, 5 days because I was continuously shooting.
Okay.
In between, I used to get a break of like 4 hours, 5 hours. Then I used to sleep in my makeup room,
Yeah.
and then again the bang would start.
That's
on the
bad, no?
Yeah, but the show had started. They didn't start
With a
with a
bang.
bang. So that was one thing. But with Ekta shows is such that she puts in so much of her
You mean that she used to
herself.
come on the set?
Yeah. She had come. And before that, we used to have meeting also regarding the character, the story, and everything. So that is something I'm extremely impressed. Though who am I to get impressed? But extremely something which I look forward to. At her level, she is so dedicated and passionate about her work, which is unbelievable. Unbelievable.
So what made you take up acting? Like, were you always inclined towards acting or?
No, I had no idea that I'll become an actor or anything. Though I thought of doing ramp at one point of time because everyone was, "Arey, tu bahut
Yes.
lamba hai, you should do ramp and stuff like that." I have done my computer's application.
So you're basically from Bombay, right?
No, I'm born brought up in Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Most of these TV वाले ना सब Delhi boys हैं. सब मैं किससे भी मिलती हूँ बोलते हैं come from Delhi, like Tarun Khanna, Nikhil Chadda, like so many people.
So I was in my second year of computer's application,
Right.
and I did. I was in second year when Srishti Bahl, you know, the Rose movies.
Gold
Yeah, she was casting for a show called Remix. It was a youngster-based
Yes, I know.
show. Yeah, so the casting happened in Delhi,
Okay.
and I
Star One.
Star One, right?
Yeah.
Life OK's
Yes, Star
mother
One,
channel.
yeah.
So I accompanied one of my model friend who had gone there to audition. With him, I was just tagging along, and Srishti saw me and told me to audition, and I just auditioned.
तो
I
many
had no
लोग
idea.
ये भी बोलते हैं मुझसे कि we just went along with a friend. तो फिर मुझे स्पॉट ये सच में होता है ऐसा?
It happened with me, so I don't know about
Many लोग बोलते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि ये सब ऐसे ही बोलते हैं मतलब actually they have all done a formal training in acting because you can't act. Now you put me in front of camera, I cannot act.
I don't believe this.
Okay, tell me one thing. I knew you were married, but how was my acting?
Oh,
Was it good?
oh, amazing.
You believe that I didn't know? Did you?
Oh, that was seriously.
Seriously? Well, I
Amazing.
just told him इनका कोई गर्लफ्रेंड या कोई है क्या? Because we just like to know ना तो मैं पूछूं तो वो बताएगा क्या? आपको पता है कोई किसी के साथ जा रहा है वो? नहीं से वो तो ऑफिस में आया था वो उसका तो वाइफ है. तो मैंने वाइफ है उसका. That time I was really surprised because I didn't know.
अच्छा,
I didn't
oh,
know.
that was
So I
amazing
told him,
acting.
but don't tell him
I think you should try one some of the projects.
he must recommend me.
You don't need recommendation.
So I told him
You just go and take the interview of any of the producers.
No, so I told him you just pretend like you have not told me. I just act. So let me
Acha.
see how I'm
Oh, that was awesome. I was like, oh, you don't know.
No, but I just came to know.
Okay.
Actually, you're doing the a very important role.
Yeah, so for me that is not a criteria. For me, I would want to improve as an actor, and at the same time, I should be getting the project which should take me higher from one point to the another. That is whole my whole point is that there's nothing as such कि अगर ये नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा.
And
I
is
don't think.
Bollywood on your wish list?
Definitely, I think if I get the opportunity to play some concrete role in Bollywood, I would take it up.
Have you like approached or have you tried so far?
I've done one international English movie that was like 3 years back, which was not released in India. It was for
Festivals.
UK, not even festival, UK के लिए
Oh.
which was Reincarnation. उसमें Claudia was opposite me.
Okay.
You know Claudia, no?
Seriously, right?
Yeah. So I've done that, but so if even in future if I get something concrete to get, I'll do it.
We are going to have this rapid fire session with a very towering and very sweet Lord Krishna. A foodie?
Yes.
Your favorite cuisine?
Anything my mother prepares. Chinese I really like.
Okay. Favorite fast food?
Dahi puri, pizza.
And a sweet dish?
I like gajar ka halwa
And Madhur Milan of
and Madhur Milan of
Peninsula.
Peninsula Grand. Now,
Reality show.
any dancing show? Jhalak Dikhla Ja, one of them.
Are you adventurous?
Very much.
So why not Khatron Ke Khiladi?
Oh, I didn't realize. I would love to do if it comes again.
Okay. Anchoring.
Yes, I would love to do.
A dream role that you would like to portray.
ड्रीम रोल एज सच तो बहुत सारे हैं, मतलब इट्स नॉट वन और टू, बट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर इज समथिंग व्हिच आई हैव बीन रीडिंग.
A priceless possession.
Coral, which I found on Koh Samui Island.
Okay. What is your dream destination?
Venice.
High point of your life.
When Srishti Di called me for my first show remix.
A low point.
Oh, my car got burned in Delhi once.
Hope you none of you
It's
were
not
hurt.
wow.
No,
It is.
nobody was hurt. Hope. I
No,
said
no,
hope
no, no,
nobody
no,
was
no,
hurt.
no.
Single or dating?
I'm married.
Okay. A gizmo freak?
To some extent,
I think
yes.
okay in a very disappointing way,
Ah.
as if I stand a chance.
You do.
Thank you, thank you. A gizmo freak?
To some extent.
Okay. Your four-wheelers?
Right now I'm driving EcoSport.
Okay, so an SUV guy.
Yeah, bit of.
Bollywood?
Would love to.
Okay. How do TV heroines match up to your height?
They either stand on the patlas or I stretch.
Have you played God to anyone in real life?
I try and be human.
What is your audience reaction to your role as Lord Krishna and Vishnu?
So far it has been amazingly good feedback that I've been getting.
So do they want to see you more in those roles or a bit of grey shades?
I think for an actor, any sort of character, if he believes in it, it's good. So they like me seeing in various roles. They've loved me in Anand as Anand in Parichay, or bad guy in Uttaran, and now God.
Next what?
Next, another milestone probably.
Your pet peeve?
I don't like people who lie.
How would you reinvent yourself?
I'm working on making my physique these days.
So are you like a very macho role or something?
Macho role, something like that, I don't know. That totally depends on what is going to come ahead. But yeah, something which I think is the right time to work on my body now, which I'm doing.
If not an actor?
Always an actor.
Okay. Plus point of being an actor?
You get to go to various places at the producer's expense.
5 years hence, you see yourself as?
A better actor.
10 years hence?
Even better actor.
One thing few people know about you?
I am I get little irritated with screechy sounds.
So sound is a problem with you.
Yeah.
You like peace and quiet?
Yes, to some extent.
I'm sure you have a lot of girls hitting upon you. How do you react to that?
I just
How does
smile.
your wife react to it?
I look towards my wife and see how is she reacting.
You're paranoid about?
I'm a little claustrophobic.
Okay. And you're paranoid about any, would you like try any non-vegetarian dishes or?
You know, I went to this restaurant wherein they got live animals, lobsters and crabs, and people were supposed to choose and pick. And I'm a vegetarian, and just looking those live animals to be killed, that was something I really got.
Oh, it's like terrifying.
Yeah, terrifying it was.
To know that one moment they are alive and the next they're going to be on your plate.
Not only that, I'm little this thing with lobsters and crabs. I don't like the look of those.
Yeah, thanks so much, Saurav, for being with me on the Eating Out show on tennychakra.com at Peninsula Grand.
Oh, it's my
We
pleasure.
loved having you. Just loved having you.
Thank you so much for calling.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.